Hello everyone, this is Morgan. Welcome watching our program again. In the previous program, we introduced many different uses, some basic uses of the combining refractory materials and the heating elements. In this program, we will go further and introduce you our more competitive products. That's our tube heater, or you can call it ready-to-use ceramic fiber heating modules. From the appearance, the biggest difference between the tube heater and the ordinary chamber is that the tube heater has a tightly fitting stainless steel shell. The refractory material with the shell are filled with the ceramic fiber blanket to ensure a better thermal insulation effect. In addition, the tube heater has an independently wiring terminals, which make it could working directly without relying on a completely furnace body, just like a traditional chamber. Each shelled heater could have an end cap designed to both hold the tube and prevent heat leakage. The added handle for easy opening and closing, with a mounting bracket design on the back for easy fixing and meet customers' various uses. This product is the best manufacturing of our encouragement and support for our customers' creativity. Usually there are some basic molds, just like the double steel molds and the bauxite molds. We also accept the customized based on our customers' requirements. I will show you some cases used by our clients below. Maybe you can find your inspiration from them. In the specific using method, you can boldly imagine that the tube heater could not only be used as a single heater, but also could be multi-connected for longer heating area requirements. Take these pictures as a sample. Both of the vertical and horizontal connecting method could be achieved. In addition to the traditional heat treatment uses, our tube heater are also widely used in the semiconductor process and industry. The diffusion furnaces, which are manufactured based on this technology, also known as the photovoltaic heaters. Instead of using the traditional method, which is electric wire coated by the cotton fiber, the advanced method has more advantages, more energy efficient, and in the same circumstances, temperature field is more uniform, and tube occupies less space. The above is all the content of this program. We will continue to introduce various knowledge of the heat treatment industry in the future. If you are interested in our video, please follow our channel and see you next time.